Good morning, CDT day 95. I am just leaving the reservoir that we camped at last night. Pretty beautiful view, but just exhausted. Had a 47.5 mile day yesterday, my longest ever. And with that also came from some pretty ruined feet and a thunderstorm that got everything wet. So just finished drying everything out, packed it up, and now we're headed back through this we're going cross country through this like sagebrush field in order to get back to the road, the highway. And we walk the highway 15 miles straight into Rawlins. So it's 11:30 a.m. right now. Because we didn't get in till about 5 this morning, we slept all the way till about 10. So we got about 5 hours in, feel much better after having some sleep. And yeah, so we're gonna put this day in and try to get to Rawlins by about maybe 4:30, have some dinner, check into a hotel, and I guess the fair is going on today, or this week, county fair, so we might grab some fair food or do something cool like that. Alright, update. I'm about a little past 10 miles on the road walk, so I got about 4.5 or a little more to go into Rawlins. It is hot, it is dry, it is uncomfortable, and I'm not having a good time. This sucks. Road. Oh, walking down the road, I got about 4 miles left, and this place called Gizmo's left out free water for hikers and bikers, so I'm going to enjoy a little bit of this filtered water, and hopefully that'll get me into town with a little more energy. So thank you to Gizmo's. You guys are awesome. That is one of the best caution signs I have ever seen. Don't be a dummy. Just think. Just outside Rawlins. Finally. Oh my god. What a long feeling day. Even though it wasn't terribly long hiking. I still have about another mile and a half to get to where I need to go. But I'm pretty much in town. Oh, hello there, young lady. Just having some lunch? I'm gonna have some lunch too. Good idea. Finally made it into exactly where I need to go in Rawlins. So Jesus got us a room at the Brickyard Inn. Nice room, I'll show you guys later. Right now we need to book it over to the bar because they have 50-cent PBR drafts for only like 20 more minutes. So we got to get to chugging. But feet feel terrible. I just popped a bunch of ibuprofen to help me be able to walk around town. But got an awesome shower in, and things are charging, and you know, things are happening. So now it's time to start reaping the benefits, as Jesus said, of these long hikes, the 47.5 yesterday and the 15, 16 today, and relax. Welcome to downtown Rawlins. Pretty happening place. We are gonna go in this restaurant right here, because the sign on the window says burgers, steak, beer, pizza, and we love all of those things. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on down here, downtown. Pretty cool place. They didn't kill me.
They could fucking destroy me.
$2, 16 ounces. You do the math. Whoa, $4. But more importantly, what is that? But what is that? Change of plans. The restaurant had a really long wait time, so now we're going back to the hotel with these babies. Ooh. The reveal coming up next after this commercial break. This Jandal's Hiking Show is brought to you by the Brickyard Inn. Check out our spacious rooms with double queen beds. DirecTV, that doesn't work.
Solar panel charger.
Microwave, fridge, solar panel chargers, not provided in all rooms. Bathroom, a Jandal. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna be naked in a video, and then I did it. And more importantly, double-headed showers.
He's not naked.
No, I'm not naked. Dude, double-headed showers. When do you get that? And security. We have a numbered door lock.
They are huge.
So, this is our evening here, and just chilling and having some of the the Domino's pizza, which I forgot to reveal. And I had myself a Philly cheesesteak pizza, large, all to myself, and some stuffed cheesy bread. So, makes for an excellent evening. All right, so after tons of food, tons of beer, and well, that's about it. Maybe some ibuprofen. We're ending our day here in the Brickyard Inn in Rawlins, Wyoming. So today's stats, again, I don't have elevation profile because we're on the lay alternate most of the time, but now we're back on the official CDT. But it was a 16.5-mile walk from the reservoir right into town, almost exclusively on road. So my feet are feeling pretty terrible. So I'm hoping that a good sleep will help with that, and have a good night. And then tomorrow we will decide whether or not we are going to stay here another night to rest up some more, or if we're just going to continue on. But for now, it's time for some TV, movie, and some sleep. Also, I forgot to mention, the hole-in-the-wall bar has 50-cent PBR drafts and has $1 mystery shots. So I forgot my wallet at the hotel, and I went back and was calling my dad on the phone, talked to him for a while. And then I went into the bar, and Jesus was fed up waiting for me so long, so he bought 3 shots and forced me to take all of them. And they're $1 mystery shots, so I didn't even get to know what they are. But they were eventually revealed to me. 1 mead and 2 whiskeys of varying flavors. So good stuff, and cheap stuff, which is really nice. But I digress. That is the end of the day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.